Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be going over my new model, my new ICT model, and it's called the Super Model. I'm just going to be going over super fair value gaps and what they are, and then backtesting my strategy and seeing what win rate we get. So far, I've been consistently getting a 70% win rate with this strategy. It's just PB Blake strategy and super fair value gaps is what I'm going to call them, because it's just like a fair value gap but just super size. So yeah, let's get into it. Let me show you what I mean. I had already started recording this video, but I was full screen the entire time, so I had to delete it. So that's why, if you see here, I've already done 2 days. Yeah, let's get into it. I'll explain what it is and then we'll go over it. Okay, let's go to New York. Right, so a super fair value gap. Say this is the market we have, we're going higher, doing shit like this, whatever. This is what market looks like coming into open. Always on the 15-minute time frame. We're going to take the lowest fair value gap. We're going to take the lowest 15-minute fair value gap, the first one, and we're going to drag it all the way to the highest one. And this full range is now our super fair value gap. And same with bearish. Mark out our range, and any trades that occur in this, in this gap are valid, and they're probably going to play out. Mixed with this, we use PB Blake's model and Paddy's model, which is just inverse, change in state, highest time frame, take the trade. Yeah. Let's get into it. Get all this shit. Right. So I've already been over this day. Let me see if I remember what I did. So we're going to start off on the 15-minute. Take... put the magnet on. We'll take this, start this wherever I got to it. Drag it across. And boom. Mark out this high. Give me a sec. Let's get back into this shit. So open happens, boom, we have equal highs. See what we're doing. Let me change this to New York dead quick. Boom. See what we're doing. Nothing here so far. We manipulate this high. See we get an inverse to the downside. Nope. Oh, this is shit. Look in the 5-minute. Once again, nothing here so far. Check the 5-minute. A tip for anyone who uses PB Blake's model and Paddy's model. If you're getting stuck in like chop and stuff when you're live trading, and you lose money because of chop, just watch the 5-minute, and then just wait until the 5-minute. 5-minute fair value gaps opened up, and wait until you get sticks down, and take the 5-minute. There we go. We get a 5-minute inverse. I want to see if this fully inverses. Okay, so right here. This is my trade. Sell here. Stop loss at the high. Always focusing on 1-to-1. TP at the 1-to-1. And let's see what we do. Break even it. And then TP smashed. Next day. Right, this is what I was up to. Two-minute high. Let's mark out our Fvg'S. Our super Fvg. There's where we got this low as well. It just saves you a lot of time as well, just by marking out like this as well. Because then you don't have to look at the hourly and everything. And what sometimes happens, what will occur in the market that you won't realise, well, that you probably do realise, is the market will reverse after it's already inversed a fair value gap, when there's no fair value gap though. But there's still a 15-minute though, because it's all connected. When there's one leg, it's all just connected. Let's see what we do. Give me a sec. Okay, my PC's just running slow for some odd reason. Alright. Okay, I have no idea how to get back to my session. Oh, there we go. I was spazzing out there for a second. Right. Yeah, here we go. What was we up to? Boom. It's 5 minutes. See what we want to do. See if we want to hold this 5 minute. No trader. No trade so far. And we go higher. Let's keep watching. Again, just watching that 5 minute. And this looks good. Yeah. Enter here. Stop loss at the low. Target at 1-to-1. Break even at the high. We got stop loss. Why? What did I do different? I've already traded this day and I made money, but I don't know what I've done different. Oh yeah, next day. Let's go over this day. I got our Fvg'S. Boom. Got this full range to deal with. Now we go into open. We know that we can rebalance from anywhere. Let's see what we do. Open higher. Create this 5 minute. We're not holding the 5 minute. Get a 1 minute inverse. Still going higher. Nothing so far. You could try and take this inverse to these equal highs, but there's no 5 minute further we got. So if it was live, I would not take this trade. And that's exactly why. Nothing here. Okay, now. Create a 5 minute further we got. Boom. 5 minute created. There's not 1 minute further we got. Or any inverse, really. So I'm a bit skeptical on this trade. See if we keep the 3 minute change as state, which we don't. It's a good job, I took nothing. So far this day's just shit. Watch that 5 minute. And it's 11 o'clock. So now I'd be off for the day. That's no trade date. Let's go next day. Higher. Swap this high. Boom. Let's mark out our super further gap, which is right there. Let's see what we do. We are inside this rejection block, so we do have a confluence, which makes this short valid. 1 minute Fvg. Now the problem with this is it's just the structure. I really don't like the structure, but everything's in place, so let's try. Stop loss at the high. Target a 1-to-1. 1200. See what we do. And TP smashed next day. Sweep this high. We have this high. Mark out our super Fvg. All of this range. We're already a bit above, so we can expect this to be bullish. What do I want to see? Open lower and then get an inverse to the downside, to the upside. We open higher. From here, we're going to watch the 5 minute. See how we start reacting, and we go up higher. Was there a trade there? No trade so far. Still just watching. Watch. Just by watching the 5 minute, I've skipped out on all of this bullshit. Just by watching the 5 minute chart. And once again, this is a no trade day. I would not be trading. Let's go to the next day. this high inside of a rejection block. Low here. And our super fair value gap, which we can always expect to enter. It's right here. We seem to be accumulating on the 15 minute, which means we're probably going to have manipulation today. Go higher, drop down. Do we keep this 5 minute open? Yes, we do. Do we tap into it? Yes. Let's see if we get a inverse to the upside now. Highest time frame inverse is that 4 minute. Do you want to see more? I like how we're acting. I'd buy this. Stop loss down there. TP 1-to-1. So 3,300. Again, why are we buying this? We're inside a 5 minute fair value gap. We've got a 4 minute inverse. It's not closed. You should probably look at the close, but I'm going break even here. As soon as this high is taken, I'm break even. And it's a break even trade. We lose nothing. Next session. Every time the internal high or internal lows taken, you always want to go break even. As you can see, guys, there's a super fair value gap every single day. So make sure you're marking them out, as well as market opens lower, sweep out high. Do we get an inverse to the upside? Yes, we do. The problem with this though is we've already took this internal high, so I'm gonna fade. But yeah, it plays out. Now we tap into a 5 minute, get a 1 minute inverse. It's the highest time frame inverse. Nope. Let's see if we get the 4 minute. Enter trader. Stop loss at the high. TP at a 1-to-1. 290. See what we do. Straight to CP. Next day. Right, now that you just probably get the gist of it, I'm going to start speeding up because we've got a month to get through. So let's run through this shit and see what win rate we got. These highs, 15 minute. That's super. No one's called this super fair value gap as well, by the way, for I made this shit up. So it's my confluence. Come on, gang. Alright, nothing is support. 5 minute. Tap into the 5 minute. Do we get an inverse? To the downside. Yep. It's quite far down. We've already took this low. It's really good though, because we get that 5 minute tap, 2 minute inverse. Honestly, I'd take this and just try and target a 1-to-1. Again, there's a chance this doesn't play out because we've missed our break even point. But there's still a really high probability because we tapped into a 5 minute and we've got a 3 minute inverse. And I'd be break even it. See if we get the 1-to-1. Break even trade. I'm going to carry on looking at this day because it's looking pretty clean. See if we get this 3-minute inverse. Once again, just looking at the highest time frame inverse, and now we're just chopping till next day. There's our super. Our highs. Let's watch. Looks like we're already manipulating before market open, so I can just expect expansion to upside it. This is really good for a long so I'm going to take this trade straight away, and I'm instantly going to go break even here. Stop at the low. So I get a 1-to-1, 18.90. Break even. And TP smashed. Next day. Again, guys, if you aren't sure, super Fvg'S, it's simply wherever the first 15 minutes starts, which in my case is up here, to the low, which is right here. Drag it across, super Fvg. Let's see what we want to do. Market opens. We're in a 5-minute. We get an inverse to the downside. Did we get a 2-minute? No. Kind of. I would take a trade. And we'll go break even very quicker. 1-to-1. Break even. Let's get break even super quick. And let's break even. We get this 2-minute inverse now. Do we have a 5-minute? No. So let's see if this 2-minute inverses. It does. Again. Now we just flip our bias. This is a rejection block as well, so got just as high as a probability, and we're focusing the super Fvg'S. Break even. This high. Break even. Let's see what we're gonna do. Break even again. I've had 2 trades now. I'm off for the day. Next day. Oh yeah. High in form of a rejection block. Super Fvg'S. Still in play from yesterday. That's how you know it's valid. And also, guys, what was I gonna say? Let's train of thought. Spazzed out. Never mind. Oh, as you can see with this as well, I'm not having to look at the hourly time frame at all, really. That's just what's great about this. Just start your day looking at the 15-minute, go down to a 5-minute, 1-minute execute. We're inside a 5-minute for Fvg'S base, so I thought this low. Let's see if we get any movement to the upside. Do we get this 5-minute inverse? Yes, we do. I buy it. I'm instantly gonna be break even as soon as we tap into this 5-minute fair value gap, which is right there. So I'm guessing this is gonna be break even straight away. Yeah, it's fine. Tap into that. Do we have an inverse to the downside now? We get a 2-minute. So stop loss at the high. Focus on 1-to-1. Never need more than a 1-to-1, guys. If you do, you're just playing greedy, you're gonna get fucked by the market. It always happens. And this trade would be break even. So I'd be break even as soon as it taps that low. So this is just a break even trade. Even though I took 2 trades this day, we're now getting a 3-minute inverse to the upside, which looks really good. We've got that 5-minute intermediate high. We can go break even. So I would take this and focus another 1-to-1. It looks really good. And it creates equal highs and absolutely fucks us. It's fine. Next day. Higher, higher. Super fair value gap. Boom. We go higher open. Keep going higher. Now we're just watching the 5-minute. Tap it into the 5-minute. Highest time frame for value gap here is 4-minute. Just watching. So we're gonna get a 5-minute close. Very far down. I would not be taking this. I'd wait for rebalance until a 5-minute fair value gap, which is right there. Get this full. See what we want to do. I would have took this trade, but I'd be at break even because I go break even straight away at the internal low. So we're just still watching now. Chance for us again. So we get this 15-second inverse. No, we don't. It's just our chop. We could take this, go for that 1-to-1, 5-minute inverse, as well as 5-minute change in state deliveries. Looks really good. Focusing up here, break even at this high. I'd be break even though. It's a break even trade. Times it, it's 11. I'd already be off the charts. I'm not now. Well, I'd hope to be off the charts. You never know with me. Start losing my fucking head. I'm taking shit trades. Super is right here. Bang. And here as well. When you see shit like this, it just means we're gonna go either way. It gives you your buy straight away, basically, these Fvg'S. Do we get this 3-minute inverse? Yes, we do. I'm in right here. Unless we're in a 5-minute. No. No 5-minute. I'm in right here. Stop loss is at the very low. Target's in the high. Break even at the intermediate high. And we get bummed. Barra. Inside a 5-minute. 30-second. I'll take it straight to the upside. So inside a 5-minute, we made a 30-second Fvg, we've inversed it. Focus a 1-to-1. And that's the dangerous. It's not taking a high time frame Fvg, guys. This is gonna be a really good. Oh no, it's not. We have a 30-second. We're in a 5-minute. We're in a 5-minute change in state of delivery as well. This should play out. All right. Don't know what's happened, guys. Apparently May just doesn't work for my strategy now. Inverse. Still on this 5-minute L. So we're looking for inverse to the upside. Once again, still on this 5-minute. We can't take this trade now because our internal low's already been taken. It's fucking boiling, mate. Five-minute inverse to the upside. Inside of a 5-minute, inside of a 15-minute Fvg. This is literally guaranteed to play out. If it doesn't, I'll quit trading. Break even. And TP. So guys, I do know what I'm talking about. Just getting like, I don't know. Maybe I'm missing some things. But journaling shit here. 71% win rate. 69% win rate. You know, I've got to journal this shit. I don't actually know if journaling works to help you to become profitable in trading. But everyone tells you to do it, so I've started doing it. I also made a grand on my eval as well today. I'm not posting it until I can actually show you guys real results. Inside this 15-minute. See if we get a Fvg'S up to the upside. We get a 15-minute inverse. Okay, we can take this because it's not took this low. See, we'll be break even here. It's a break even trade. This is a break even day again. Let's go to the next day. Is it super Fvg'S and winners from both sides, guys. We'll just go either way. Manipulate this high. Get a massive inverse. We're looking for. Looks like we're dumping, so now we're just gonna look for a 5-minute to. Oh. If we get this 5-minute inverse, we can take this trade. No, we can't. It's set the internal high. I'm gonna go back to here and let's look. See if we get an inverse. We get 30-second. Yes, we do. I'll take this trade. Into the 5-minute, 30-second inverse. Should play out. Break even at this high. Break even. And TP. Next day. Super low here and rejection block. Let's see where we want to go. Okay, we take this low, and also we've opened up this 15-minute. Opened up multiple 15 minutes now. See if we get a 5-minute rebalance so we can enter. Let's see if we get an inverse now. We do. Is that the highest time frame? Let's wait for the 2 minute. Okay. That's the 2 minute inverse, so I would enter if I saw this. Even though we saw the next candle's bullish, I would have entered this either way, so if we get stopped out, it is what it is. Stopped out. I actually don't know why this didn't play out. We're inside a 5 minute, we rejected, we made a 2 minute inverse. That's an A+ setup. Yeah. Okay, now we're inside this 5 minute still, but there's no high time frame inverse, so I'm gonna fade this trade. This is probably gonna go down. Yeah. Next day. Got our Fvg'S. At high. I can't say for trader. I'm looking for an inverse to the upside, so manipulation, because we're inside a 15 minute Fvg'S. Right here. Do we have a 30-second? No, no, no. There's a 5 minute. Let's see if we get this 5 minute close. We got a massive 5 minute close. I would enter this. The stop would be down here. TP 1-to-1. Break even here. Break even. TP absolutely smashed through the roof. Next day. So we're going distribution high. See if we want to enter in our 5 minute Fvg'S there. Should we do here? Do we keep it? We're starting to keep it. Do we get an inverse? 30-second maybe. Yep, 30-second inverse. I can try this trade. Once again, these trades have got less probability, but take profit must be low. I have no idea what's going on. Well, we would have hit RTP. Yeah. So we would have hit RTP. But for some reason, I don't really know what's going on. And that's us done. Let's see what room rate we get for this month. The month of May, 26. 59. I was getting 70 when I was backtesting this before. I think I just fucked up on a couple of days, but 59% win rate. Bit shit. It is a 70% win rate strategy. Yeah, guys, that's the video for today. Go and backtest this shit as well, and see if it works for you guys. Peace.